Hey there! Looking for the ultimate sound control setup? In today's video, we're diving into top 5 best audio mixer to help you find the perfect option for your needs. You're watching Dude's Tech, and we've got some amazing picks lined up. Let's get started.
Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Aveek AK-70 audio mixer.
The Aveek AK-70 audio mixer is a compact yet powerful solution designed to meet the needs of modern audio creators, performers, and streamers. Built for versatility, this mini mixing console offers a wide range of input and output options, making it easy to connect multiple devices in one seamless setup. With 3 XLR inputs, users can plug in microphones or guitars, while additional stereo inputs, such as 6.35mm and RCA, allow connection to keyboards, CD players, or computers. The mixer also includes both RCA and 6.35mm main outputs, ensuring compatibility with active speakers, amplifiers, and complete sound systems. A standout feature of the AK-70 is its USB-B interface, which simplifies recording and streaming. The built-in sound card and transmission processor enable direct connection to computers, tablets, or smartphones for high-quality audio mixing and recording. For mobile connectivity, a USB OTG adapter is required to ensure proper data transfer. In addition, the USB-A port provides convenient playback and recording options using a USB flash drive, allowing users to mix MP3 tracks or save their sessions effortlessly. Wireless functionality is another highlight, as the mixer supports Bluetooth streaming from smartphones, tablets, and other compatible devices. Integrated controls such as play, pause, and track switching make it easy to manage audio directly from the mixer, enhancing user convenience during live sessions or casual playback. The inclusion of 48-volt phantom power ensures compatibility with condenser microphones, while the ultra-low noise design helps maintain clean and professional sound quality. With onboard gain controls, a 2-band EQ, and built-in echo and delay effects, users can fine-tune their audio and add creative depth to their mixes. The LED peak level indicator further assists in monitoring sound levels for optimal performance. Whether used for live streaming, podcasting, small performances, virtual meetings, or special events, the Aveek AK-70 audio mixer delivers a reliable and flexible audio mixing experience in a compact form. Coming in at number 4, we have the Debra audio mixer. The Debra audio mixer is a versatile solution designed to enhance live streaming, recording, and audio production with precision and clarity. Built to handle multiple audio sources seamlessly, it allows users to create a balanced and professional sound environment without complexity. One of its standout features is the loopback function, which combines incoming audio with the sound output from a computer into a single stereo signal. This integrated audio is then sent back to the computer, making it ideal for streamers, podcasters, and content creators who need synchronized sound for broadcasts or recordings. The mixer also includes an intuitive EFX button, enabling users to add reverberation effects and adjust equalizer settings across high, medium, and low frequencies. This level of control ensures that vocals blend naturally with background music, creating a smooth and immersive listening experience. Whether refining voice clarity or enhancing tonal depth, users can easily tailor the output to their preferences. Designed with convenience in mind, the Debra audio mixer supports real-time monitoring through both 6.5mm and 3.5mm headphone ports. This dual compatibility ensures flexibility for different headphone types, allowing users to monitor audio accurately during recording or streaming sessions. With its focus on lossless recording and efficient sound mixing, the Debra audio mixer delivers reliable performance for a wide range of applications. From live streaming setups to home studios, it provides the essential tools needed to produce clear, well-balanced audio with ease. At number 3, the Depusheng M6 audio mixer. The Depusheng M6 audio mixer is a compact yet powerful solution designed to meet the needs of creators, performers, and audio enthusiasts. Built as a mini mixing console, it features 6 channels, including 4 MIC/line mono inputs and 1 stereo input, making it versatile enough for a wide range of audio setups. Each channel is equipped with a 3-band EQ, delivering rich tonal control and allowing users to shape their sound with precision and clarity. The ultra-musical equalization enhances audio signals with warmth and depth, ensuring a professional listening experience. One of the standout features of the Depusheng M6 is its 48-volt phantom power capability, enabling seamless use with condenser microphones as well as standard wired mics. This flexibility makes it suitable for studio recordings, live vocals, and instrument inputs. The built-in USB audio interface adds another layer of convenience, allowing users to play and record audio directly through a PC, external USB device, or flash drive. It supports multiple audio formats, including MP3, WAV, and lossless files such as APE and FLAC, making it ideal for both playback and recording tasks. In addition, the mixer includes Bluetooth connectivity, enabling wireless pairing with smartphones, tablets, and other compatible devices. This feature is especially useful for streaming music, karaoke sessions, and live broadcasting. Users can easily control playback with built-in buttons for play, pause, track skipping, and mode switching. The Depusheng M6 also offers professional-grade mixing functions, including gain adjustment, stereographic EQ, and 99 DSP effects. These effects can be applied to both live and recorded audio, allowing users to customize sound output for different environments and creative needs. With its intuitive control panel and comprehensive tuning capabilities, the Depusheng M6 is well suited for music recording, small band performances, online streaming, Zoom meetings, and even events like weddings. Its portable design ensures that high-quality sound mixing is always within reach, whether at home, in the studio, or on the go. In the second spot, we have the Tavosop MG10XU audio mixer. The Tavosop MG10XU audio mixer is a versatile and professional-grade solution designed to meet the demands of various audio environments, from live performances to formal events. Built with a 10-channel configuration, this analog mixing console provides the flexibility needed to manage multiple audio sources simultaneously, making it ideal for weddings, stage performances, and conferences. Engineered for clarity and control, the mixer supports 48V phantom power, allowing seamless integration with condenser microphones for enhanced vocal and instrumental capture. This feature ensures that users can achieve studio-quality sound even in live settings. The intuitive layout of the controls makes it easy to adjust levels, balance inputs, and fine-tune audio output, whether you are a seasoned audio engineer or a beginner. The Tavosop MG10XU also includes built-in effects that enhance sound quality, adding depth and richness to audio output. These effects are particularly useful during live events where dynamic sound can elevate the overall experience for the audience. Its durable construction ensures reliable performance, even with frequent transport and setup. Designed with practicality in mind, this mixer is suitable for a wide range of applications, from managing microphones and instruments during a wedding ceremony to handling multiple speakers in a conference setting. It delivers consistent and high-quality audio performance. Its compact yet robust design allows for easy setup on stage or at event venues, making it a dependable choice for professionals seeking efficiency and sound precision. And finally, at number 1, we have the Fulode Audio Mixer. The Fulode Audio Mixer is a versatile and modern solution designed for creators, performers, and audio enthusiasts who want greater control over their sound. Built with convenience and performance in mind, this device supports wireless Bluetooth playback, allowing users to connect their smartphones, tablets, or other compatible devices effortlessly. This makes it easy to stream music, backing tracks, or audio files without the need for additional cables. One of the standout features of the Fulode audio mixer is its collection of 99 professional-quality preset reverb effects. These effects can be adjusted within seconds, enabling users to shape their audio output to match different environments and styles. Whether you are hosting a live stream, recording vocals, or performing music, the mixer provides a wide range of sound customization options to enhance your output. In addition to reverb, the mixer includes a 5-band equalization control system that offers precise sound tuning. The preset ranges are thoughtfully organized, with 35 to 39 dedicated to reverb, 40 to 49 for delay, 50 to 59 for ping-pong effects, and 60 to 69 for flanger. This structured layout simplifies the process of finding and applying the right sound effect, even for beginners. Another key feature is the one-tap vocal elimination function. With a single press, users can remove original vocals from tracks, making it ideal for karaoke sessions, practice, or live performance setups. This feature is especially useful for content creators and streamers who want to perform over music without interference from existing vocals. Overall, the Fulode audio mixer combines advanced audio features with user-friendly controls, making it a practical choice for enhancing sound quality and creativity in various audio applications. Before you go, don't miss out on these amazing audio mixers. Check the price link in the description and find the perfect one for your setup. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more awesome tech reviews and top picks.